Hi everyone, in the previous video I demonstrated the use of printf and scanf to get input from the user and print it back to the user. The printf and scanf are C functions, so they are functions that were used by C programmers, which can also be used by C++ programmers. But in this video I'm going to show you how you use the cout and cin to get input and display output to the user. So to get output from to convert this program to cin, to use cout and cin, so to print to screen we use the cout and we use the insertion operator like this. And to get entry from the user, then I would use cin and use the extraction operator like so. And this also changes to only store the entry into the value variable. And to display back, I'm also going to use cout and use the insertion operator. And I'll show you how we do this to 2 decimal or 1 decimal place. Okay, but we are going to run into a problem. So I'm going to compile this. And this is because we need to use std whenever we are referring to cout and cin. So I could either fix this by doing this every time I'm using cout or cin, just like so. And now I'll try to compile this. And oh, I'm still having that bracket. I need to get rid of that. So this should do it. And compile. So I'm going to put in a value 44.44 and it's printing that value. Okay, now to if you didn't want to keep on putting std all the time, you could also use or add the namespace using namespace. Std, and this way I could not have to refer to std every time I need to use cin or cout or anything that is within the std namespace. So now when I'm running this, and it works as expected. Stay tuned for future videos. I'll show you how you can display this with 2 decimal places or whatever decimal place you would like. So I'll see you then.